Back when I was about 5 years old on a camping trip in Yosemite, my father gave me this Dietz kerosene lantern. It was already old at the time, and it's been cherished family heirloom ever since. But it's looking pretty old, it's looking pretty dirty. I want to clean it up and get it restored. So here's how we're going to do that. Okay, so here we have the restored lantern. Looks a lot cleaner and nicer, doesn't it? How did we accomplish this task? Aha, let me show you how. I bought a modern lantern which was actually built on the original 100-year-old production jig. Now the people who collect these lanterns date them not by the body, but by the glass. So look at the globe here. This has the markings of a 100-year-old lantern from Syracuse, New York. You'll see it on the reverse side as well. Whereas this one has a modern glass globe. So for a collector looking at this is a modern lantern with some very old parts into it. And this is the authentic 100-year-old lantern with a whole bunch of new parts in it. But it does bring up an interesting point. How many parts of your car can you replace before it becomes a new car? Engine, transmission, tires, suspension. At what point does your old car with enough service become a new car? Or does it always just remain a very well maintained old car? Thanks. Stay safe during the pandemic.